Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Creeping by Lil Skies. Alright, so first up, we want to up our BPM to 160. For the top layer of the melody, we're going to want to get a Nexus and go pianos, and it's soft and tidy. And then I changed this mix a bit just because before it was a bit harsh. Anyways, and I'll just chuck the melody in there. That's what it looks like. Alright, now now for the second layer of the main melody, we're going to use Nexus, and we're going to use the hands up 3 bells. Oh, it's in pluck, that's right. That one. Alright. Just like that. Chuck those in the mixer, and you're gonna want to turn down the hands up bells a little bit. It's a little bit loud. Just like that. Alright, probably EQ that. And probably put a little bit of reverb on there as well. Alright, that's sounding pretty good. So that's the melody all done. Chuck that in. Next is for the ARP in the background, and for that we're going to use Nexus. And for that you want to go the single layer pads, and it's ambient pad 3. Just let me chuck the melody in there. That's what it looks like, just like that. So that should sound like, it's a bit low. Pitch that up an octave. Perfect. Put that in the mixer as well, and we'll quickly EQ that one. Oh. Just like that. Could probably put some reverb on there. Why not? Just widen the sound a little bit. There is also a flute layer that comes in a bit later in the song. For that we're going to use Nexus as well. It's in the classical, I believe, and flutes and string. That one. just put the piano notes in there, just like that. That's what it looks like. I think that's a little bit low as well, so I might want to pitch that up an octave. Oh. Now, like, this isn't the exact, none of these are the exact sounds from the song. They're close enough. The flute is a little bit off, but I don't really have a flute plug-in, and so it sounds good enough. EQ that. And the ARP doesn't come in straight away either. So put that in a different pattern. Just like that. That's sounding pretty good. I'll just put the song in here so I know where everything comes in. Oh. Alright, cool. Now for the beat. So you want to get the samples that I put, and there's a link, should be in the description. Just download that, and that's got the FLP. It's also got all the scores and everything like that. So we got the hat, and it's just a pretty simple beat, I think. Yeah, just like that. That's it for the hat. Pretty easy. I'll change this back. I'm gonna quickly EQ that one as well. Alright, mad. Now for the kick. That's what the kick pattern looks like. Put that one in the mixer and quickly EQ that. Leave some space here for the 808. And I might put a compressor on that one as well, just to make it punch a little bit more. Awesome. Alright, let's see how that's sounding. Oh. Alright. Now for the clap. The clap is really simple as well, I think. It's just like this. Put that in there. Just like that, and we're going to quickly EQ that clap as well. And now for the 808. Just grab the 808 pattern. That's what it looks like there. Screw it. Alright, doesn't matter. For that 808, we're gonna quickly chuck that one in the mixer. Put an EQ on it. Just like that. Think I might put a little bit of distortion on that kick as well. And we'll use Fruity Wave Shaper for that. And I think it's going over itself, so we'll just do like that so it doesn't like layer on top of itself. If you know what I mean.
Blame on me, no shame on you. No, you can't hide the truth. I'ma slide right through your roof. Might pop a
Anyways, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And if you've got any song recommendations that you'd like me to remake, please leave them in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video.